Imagine waking up one morning and feeling stronger, lighter, and more energetic than you have in years. Your joints move easily, your muscles feel firm, and your mind is sharp. It might sound too good to be true, but there is a simple, inexpensive powder that can help you get there. No complicated routine, no expensive program, just a natural substance your body already makes called creatine. Most people think creatine is only for young gym goers, but science shows it can transform how we age. Especially after 60, this is not hype. It is real, tested, and safe. As we get older, three main challenges slowly affect our bodies. First, inflammation starts simmering inside, causing joint pain, fatigue, and slower recovery. Second, metabolism slows down, making it harder to burn calories. Third, we gradually lose muscle mass, a condition called sarcopenia. Losing muscle affects strength, balance, and independence. Walking upstairs, carrying groceries, or standing from a chair becomes harder. Creatine directly addresses all three problems. It helps muscles recover, supports metabolism, and reduces inflammation. It's like flipping a switch that says, yes, you can still be strong, recover faster, and stay active. Creatine is naturally made in the liver and kidneys and stored in muscles. Its job is to help produce ATP, the energy your cells use for everything: lifting, walking, thinking, or even heartbeats. Creatine helps cells regenerate ATP faster, giving you more energy during short bursts of activity. The best form is creatine monohydrate. It's cheap, safe, and effective. Expensive alternatives don't work any better. How you take it matters too. Creatine enters muscles with the help of a protein that relies on sodium. That means taking it with a pinch of salt or an electrolyte drink can improve absorption by 40–50%. If you ever felt bloated on creatine, it may be because it wasn't getting into your muscles efficiently. Once inside your muscles, creatine changes everything. Studies show people who take it while exercising gain more lean muscle and lose fat. Strength improves, making daily tasks easier. Lower body strength often benefits the most, which is critical for balance and reducing fall risk. Older adults may need slightly higher doses, around 10 to 15 grams per day, especially if they are very active or losing muscle. Timing matters less than consistency. Muscles store creatine over time, so daily use is more important than taking it before or after workouts. Creatine also helps with recovery. It reduces inflammation and oxidative stress, helping your muscles perform better and repair faster. It supports metabolism by increasing energy availability, helping your body store carbohydrates efficiently. Women may benefit from slightly higher doses because, while they naturally store more creatine, their bodies produce less. Taking the right amount ensures they get the same strength and energy benefits as men. This simple adjustment can make a big difference in how strong and capable you feel. The benefits extend to the brain as well. Your brain uses a lot of energy, and phosphocreatine, stored in the brain, helps regenerate ATP quickly when needed. Supplementing with creatine can improve memory, focus, and mental stamina. Older adults often notice sharper recall, better concentration, and less mental fatigue. Even during stress or poor sleep, creatine can help maintain clarity and decision-making, giving your brain the fuel it needs to function at its best. Many fears about creatine, hair loss, kidney damage, liver issues have been thoroughly debunked. Research shows creatine is safe for healthy adults. Minor complaints like cramping or dehydration usually result from not drinking enough water or low electrolytes. With simple precautions, these problems disappear. Creatine is one of the most studied supplements in the world, and the evidence consistently shows it is safe. Even for long-term use, That makes it rare. A supplement that is affordable, impactful across multiple systems in your body. So how should you use creatine? Stick with creatine monohydrate. Take 5 to 7 grams daily. For general health, or increase slightly for brain support or higher physical demands. Take it consistently, preferably with a pinch of salt, and make it part of your daily routine. There's no need to cycle on and off. Combine it with good nutrition, regular movement, and quality sleep, and you will notice meaningful improvements in strength, energy, and mental clarity over time. Small, simple steps can transform your life. Creatine is more than a muscle supplement. It helps maintain strength, mental sharpness, and vitality as you age. By reducing inflammation, supporting metabolism, enhancing brain function, and improving recovery, it gives you more energy, resilience, and independence. It is not magic, but it is a science-backed way to stay strong, sharp, and active well into later years. With consistent use, creatine can help you move, think, and live better every day. When most people think about staying healthy as they age, they focus on exercise or diet. But there's another hidden ally in your routine. Creatine in part 1. We explored how it supports muscles, metabolism, and brain energy. Now, let's dive deeper into how creatine helps your bones, immune system, mood, and overall resilience. These are the benefits that aren't talked about enough, but can make a huge difference in how you feel and move every day. Bones are often overlooked, but they are your body's foundation. As we age, bones can become fragile, and fractures become a serious risk. Most people assume that building muscle automatically strengthens bones. That is partly true, but creatine adds another layer of protection. Studies show that creatine helps bone cells remodel and adapt. Instead of just making bones denser, it improves the way bones handle stress. Imagine your thigh bone, the femur, learning to distribute pressure more intelligently if you fall or stumble. That structural resilience makes a huge difference. It is about functional strength, not just numbers on a scan. Combining creatine with weight-bearing exercises gives bones the stimulus they need to stay tough and responsive, reducing the risk of fractures and maintaining your independence. Next is the immune system. We often forget that our white blood cells, the defenders of the body, need energy to work effectively. Creatine helps these cells produce ATP, giving them the energy to attack infections and regulate inflammation. It doesn't make you invincible, but it helps your body respond more efficiently when challenged. For older adults, this is critical. Everyday infections, even mild ones, can take longer to recover from with age. With better energy in immune cells, recovery improves, inflammation is balanced, and your body can fight back without overreacting and causing unnecessary damage. This means fewer sick days, faster recovery, and a stronger, more resilient system overall. Mood and mental health are another area where creatine shines. Depression, anxiety, and low energy aren't always caused by a lack of willpower. Sometimes they are related to energy deficits in the brain, low ATP in the prefrontal cortex, the area that regulates emotions. Planning and decision-making can make it harder to manage stress or maintain a positive mood. Creatine replenishes phosphocreatine stores, helping the brain produce energy quickly when needed. Research shows that supplementing with creatine can improve mood, reduce mental fatigue, and enhance focus, especially for older adults. Even when sleep is poor or stress is high, Creatine gives the brain the fuel to stay alert, resilient. It's not a replacement for therapy or medical care, but it is a powerful support tool. Now let's talk about myths. Many people avoid creatine because of fear, hair loss, kidney damage, liver problems. These are all common concerns. The truth studies repeatedly show these fears are largely unfounded. Hair loss is not linked to creatine. Kidney function remains healthy in adults without pre-existing kidney issues. Liver health is unaffected by reasonable doses. Cramping or dehydration is usually due to insufficient water intake. Low electrolytes, not the creatine itself. By taking it with a pinch of salt and staying hydrated, these problems disappear. This makes creatine one of the safest, most studied supplements available. You can take it confidently without worrying about hidden side effects. So how do you make creatine part of your daily routine? Stick with creatine monohydrate, the most researched and effective form. 5 to 7 grams per day is enough for general health and muscle maintenance. If your focus is on brain function or recovery from demanding periods, you might increase to 8 to 10 grams. Older adults dealing with muscle loss or high activity may benefit from 10 to 15 grams. Take it consistently with a small pinch of salt or in an electrolyte drink to maximize absorption and minimize bloating. You don't need to worry about timing around workouts. Daily use builds stores in your muscles and brain, getting you steady benefits over time. Creatine is safe for long-term use, making it an easy addition to your routine, like taking a multivitamin. The real beauty of creatine is how it touches nearly every system in your body. It strengthens muscles and bones, powers the brain, supports metabolism, improves recovery, boosts the immune system, and helps balance mood. It is simple, inexpensive, and effective for older adults. It's not about looking like a bodybuilder. It's about living a life of strength, freedom. Imagine walking without stiffness, climbing stairs without fatigue, thinking clearly all day, and bouncing back quickly from minor illnesses or stress. That's what creatine can help you achieve. You have more control than you think over how your body ages. Many changes are inevitable, but loss of independence and strength doesn't have to be with the right tools like creatine combined with movement, good nutrition, quality sleep, and stress management. You can age with energy and confidence. Small, consistent actions can create profound changes. Incorporating creatine into your daily routine is one of those actions. It's not a shortcut or a magic pill. It's a science-backed strategy to support your body and mind as you grow older. The difference it can make is not just physical. It is about quality of life, mental resilience, and the ability to continue doing the things you love. By now, it should be clear that creatine is far more than a gym supplement. Its effects go beyond muscles, reaching bones, brain, immune system, and mood. Safe, affordable, and easy to use, it is a tool that almost anyone over 60 can benefit from. Incorporate it daily, take it with a little salt, and stay consistent. Watch how your energy, strength, and mental clarity improve over weeks and months. Creatine is a small powder with a big impact. A simple way to age smarter, stronger, and sharper.